So friends, you want to learn how to zoom in Google Chrome browser. You can zoom Google Chrome with two methods. First, settings, and here you have this plus sign and this minus sign to increase or decrease the zooming of Google Chrome. And another method that you can do is a shortcut that you can use. Just press and hold Control key in Windows and scroll your mouse wheel upside to increase the zooming and pull it back to decrease the zooming. So this way you can increase and decrease zoom in Google's. And if you want to just restore, click the restore to decrease